Changing your verification method on Gmail can enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Sign into your Gmail account. Open your web browser, go to the Gmail website, and log in with your email address and password. Step 2. Access your Google account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Security tab located on the left sidebar. This section contains all the security-related options for your account. Step 4. Update your two-step verification settings. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Choose a new verification method. In the two-step verification settings, you can add or remove methods such as text messages, phone calls, or authenticator apps. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred method and save your changes. Now you have successfully changed your verification method on Gmail. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.